Welcome to CaseWare QuickVids. This QuickVid demonstrates the relationship between note headings and the Knowledge Library Index in CaseWare Financials. First, what is the Knowledge Library Index, or KLI? It is a database used to control and manage the content within the libraries. In CaseWare Financials, the KLI is used to organize the hierarchy of notes so they are properly named and then placed in the correct location in client financial statements, eliminating the need for users to have to sort their notes into the right position. We use area, heading, topic, subtopic, and name as a structure to organize the note content so that it is easy for users to find what they are looking for when manually inserting notes into their file. As template author, you can create your own structure in the KLI, but we recommend you using our defaults. Users will see a nicely laid out hierarchy using these elements in the KLI. However, only certain parts of these elements will print as note headings in the financial statements. When a user inserts a significant accounting policy to their financial statements, the area, topic, and name will appear as note headings. When a user inserts a note to their financial statements, the topic and the name will appear as note headings. In the event that you need to create your own structure, area, topic, and name will appear in the statement as note headings. You may have several alternatives for your note for your end users. You might want to provide a more descriptive name in the KLI to make it easier for your end users to pick the right alternative. At the same time, you don't want this name to print in the financial statements. In this case, click Options and ensure Update Headings in Knowledge Library is cleared. When this option is cleared, you are guaranteed to have two unique names for the note. After you have created the note, you can change the name by typing in the name cell so it has a different printing name. Notice that the name in the KLI and the note heading to be printed are now different. You can also skip note headings from printing in the statements as needed. Please see the QuickVid note number headings for additional details. Please note, you cannot edit text at the heading or subtopic heading level of the KLI. If a typing error occurs at the heading or subtopic level, you'll need to create the entry again and delete the old note. This concludes the QuickVid on the relationship between note headings and the Knowledge Library Index. For additional resources, including documentation and online help, see the related links. Thank you for watching CaseWare QuickVids.